Whenever I sit down with a client ahead of time before they hire me, one of the things I ask is, what do you think of DJs? And what have you seen out there that you really like? And most of the time, what I hear is that they don't really remember. Hi, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks again for being a part of the show and for checking in on it. I really, really appreciate it. I appreciate my sponsors, and if you like the show, be nice to my sponsors. My sponsors like Electro Voice, DJ Event Planner, Disc Jockey News, Promo Only, Perfect Portals, and of course my workshop, the Entertainment Experience. So they really want to tell me that they've seen something great, but what they usually do is tell me all the things that they don't like about DJs. And one of them that I've heard, and I've heard a lot, but one I'm going to talk about today is what they think is bad microphone work, unprofessional, bad mic work. And when I ask about that, because they're lay people, right? If I say a bad and unprofessional mic work, you've got a picture in your head. You do this for a living, right? You're a speaker, you're a DJ, you're a storyteller. So you get an idea of what that is. Most of the time, the client can't really put their fingers around it, except for sometimes it's like, well, they're yelling at me on the microphone, or you can't really understand them. They talk too fast. They talk over the music too much. They talk too much. There's just all this talking. Shut up already and just play the music. Okay, well, if you really look into it, there's a couple of things that I know, and the first things that I think about is bad mic work would be like how you hold the microphone, right? You don't want to cup the mic, and put it up to your the hands in the air like nobody cares. Nobody thinks that's cool. You might, but most people who see you do it are wondering why you're trying to look like their favorite rap artist. And they like their favorite rap artist. They just don't like you, and they don't like how you're doing that. So, number one, that's a technical thing. Don't do that. But usually bad or unprofessional mic work, when it comes to trying to figure out if you're doing it, has more to do with why you're doing it and the purpose behind the things you're doing and when you're doing them. Okay? It really comes down to, I'm about to make an announcement. I should ask myself, why am I making that announcement? Am I doing it because I think it's going to be cool, or that it needs to be done? Okay, so it needs to be done. So another question, if it needs to be done, then how does it need to be done? Well, it needs to be done because everyone needs to know that that dinner's ready. Okay, great. So you get on the mic and you yell, hey man, dinner's ready. But did you ask the room for their attention? Did you make sure that before you made that announcement, every single soul in the room was focused on you so that when you said it, everyone got that dinner was ready? They didn't have to guess. They didn't have to go, did he say something? What did he say? No. Your job, if you need to use your mic and to communicate something, is number one, that every single solitary soul hears what you have to say. They need to hear it. Or why are you wasting their time? Why are you just puking into a microphone if it's okay that just some people hear it? So take that into consideration. And if you take it into consideration, do you wait to get everyone's attention before you speak? Or do you just yell into the room? Oh, and another thing, yelling into your microphone. Okay, God, guys, you've got a microphone, you've got speakers, you've got an amplification system, and yet you take the microphone and you go, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for, oh my God, stop already. You got to do that? You don't need a mic. I don't have a microphone system, I don't have amplification, and I need to use my big voice. Okay, I got it. But if you've got something that amplifies your voice, then why aren't you just talking to them? Just be who you are, use your voice, and turn it up with a dial. And I know this because I used to do this. I used to do it a lot. And the first time that I noticed that it was something that guests didn't like was I was at an event with my wife, watching a DJ do an announcement, very much like I've done in the past. And when it was all done, she looked at me annoyed and she said, I'm not sure what he said, but I do know that I don't like that he's yelling at me. She said this after 4 different announcements. He's been yelling at me all night. Do you want your guests to feel like that you're yelling at them, that you're talking at them, or are you talking to them? Because if you're talking to them, then you have a purpose for what you're saying, and a purpose for what you're saying changes the way you say it, and changes the way you amplify it, and changes for how long you wait to get their attention before you speak. What do you think? Write down your comments below. This is Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.